Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group will present our local guide website, which is called Portwheel. Our group consists of 4 members, which is SYAKIR, me, Yusuf, KINTA, and DANIAL. First, I will show you the homepage about our Portwheel website. So this is the homepage, a very simple homepage actually. We have navigation button, drop down menu. So as you can see here at the navigation button, we have home, about the city, people and community, history, culture, heritage, nature and adventures, things to do, food, event and fact, and lastly contact. So below this is the welcome to the Kuala Sepetang, the homepage of the welcome. So at the bottom we have the header, very simple header. We have logo and created by Portwheel, our website name. So first I show you how we edit. So as you can see here, for the header, we go to the block inserter. You go to the pattern, then we type the header. So if we type the header, it will show you the example of the header that we can put in here in this website. So that's it. Then for this is the text. We go to the block inserter and choose the paragraph to start with the basic building block of the all narrative. This also I use the paragraph also. And then we go to the button. Okay. This is the button. Actually, we go to the blocks and we type button, and it will appear the button. This also I got from the paragraph also for the insert the picture. Go to the media, we can insert the picture. Media and image, we can insert the picture. So and the footer, we type, go to pattern and type the footer, and then it will show you the example of the footer. Actually, these are the some example. Okay. As you can see here, you can edit the word. You can edit the word here. And then we go to the style. So at the style, we can be more creative. We can create more we can choose more typography. We can choose the font size, color, background, shadow, layout, and that's it for the homepage to welcome to the Kuala Sepetang. Next we go to the main page for home. So as you can see here, I have a footer in here. I have footer, and then welcome to Kuala Sepetang, and then some text, and then about us. So this is the picture. So at the home, we have the overview of the town. Kuala Sepetang is a small town in Perak. Malaysia is famous for seafood, mangrove forest, chocolate making, and fireflies. So as you can see, this is the overview of Kuala Sepetang, historical significance, German fishing village, mangrove forest and ecotourism, traditional chocolate industry, firefly watching, culinary destination. So we also put the highlight what have at the Kuala Sepetang. At the highlight, our wide range of guide experiences and community-based services welcome everyone from curious traveler to eco-tour group seeking to explore the rich culture and natural beauty of Kuala Sepetang. So we have mangrove forest and ecotourism at Kuala Sepetang. We have the picture for the mangrove forest. So we have the traditional charcoal industry. This is the charcoal place at the Kuala Sepetang. So we have firefly watching at the Kuala Sepetang also. This is the picture of the firefly. So for the editing, okay, this is the part where we editing the home. So same as before. I use for this, I use a paragraph, and then I styling in here. This also I use a paragraph and I styling in here. This also I go to the block inserter. I got from the block inserter and then type the button in here. It will appear the button. This is button, and then actually from this I got from the pattern actually. I got from the pattern. Go to the go to the about, I think. Go to about. This is I got from this pattern. And then this also I got from pattern also. In this we have many pattern and we can choose one of them. And then this also I got from the pattern. I just duplicate this. I just duplicate this pattern and then I paste in here. Okay, this is the video that I insert Kuala Sepetang typing Perak. You can watch this video actually. So that's it for the home. Next, I will show you about the city page. So about the city page, we have the footer, same as before, and logo also, port wheel, and then we start with the stories of Kuala Sepetang. Kuala Sepetang Port Wheel is a fishing village that is located in Perak. It is a thriving fishing village and the main jumping off point to the river mouth community of Kuala Sangga, which is a Chinese fishing community at the river mouth, which specialize in fish breeding in cages. It just takes 40 minutes drive to Taiping. So this is the view from the above of the Kuala Sepetang. So this is a Port Wheel, which is the railway station is located in center of the town. This is the first railway line that built in the peninsula between the fishing village of Taiping, fishing village to Taiping. The signboard, ticketing booth, and the dismantled railway still remain at the Port Wheel railway station. So this is the picture of the Port Wheel actually. So this is local economy that happened in the Kuala Sepetang. So this is a at the Kuala Sepetang we have three industry, which is fish industry, charcoal production, and the ecotourism boom, which is the mangrove forest, firefly watching, bird watching, and heritage walks. That's it. So next we go to the where we edit the about the city. So about the city, I have the here. Actually we use from the template. This website I got from the template also, and this we got, and this I got from the pattern. We go to the pattern and we choose the pattern that we want. So in here, this is at here we are at the WordPress have a many patterns actually in here, so you just pick one that you like. So okay, this also we got from the pattern. This we got from the pattern also. If you want to use the more advanced option, we need to subscribe. So if we subscribe, we need to pay. So we just use the original template to make it more simple, I guess. So if you want to use if you want to use the typography, color, background, shadow, layout, but some of them actually you need to subscribe actually. So use what free in here, what free in the WordPress also. That's it about the city. I will talk about people and community. For the people and community, and here as you can see, we have the main picture for the people and community, and at the main picture I put the who they are, heart of the town, which is the title actually. And then as you can see, the people that heart of the town at the Kuala Sepetang is a fisherman and boat operator. So this is some of the picture. So chocolate, and we also have the chocolate factory workers at here. We also have the traditional and values, which is community spirit. Kuala Sepetang residents often come together for gotong royong, religious festival, and seafood feast. It's common to see neighbors helping one another, whether it's mending a net or cooking for a wedding. So that's it for the people and community. So for editing, we go to the pages and go to the all pages, and we go to people and community at here, as you can see. So for the people and community actually, this picture, this picture actually no, okay, this part actually I got from template, and the photo in here I got from I made the collage of the photo and I combine together at the Canva actually, so it will make the website more interesting. And then this also I use the template, as you can see here. So for this, I use the AI assistant to make the mini title for the picture. So this also I got from the template also, and then this I got from the template also, from the pattern actually. We go to the block inserter and we go to the pattern, and then this is the pattern that I choose from here. So that's it from me. Thank you. I will talk about people and community. For the people and
Assalamualaikum, and my name is SYAKIR bin RASUL. I will explain the history part. This is the back end of my history part of the Kuala Sepetang. Okay, so this I use the detail for this site, these pages. So we can view pages of block inserter. I use the details. So we close this, and okay, we scroll down. This is all the content, the images, the gallery that you can also upload an image and edit or drag it or align it. So this is all the content, and this is when I embed the YouTube, and this is the key timeline, all the social media out here. Okay, so we click here and go to this setting. So we can also change the background color. So I use a couples of different colors and the font size, so it make it more interesting. So this is the history. Okay, now we will go to the front end for the history part. So this is how will the others view our website. The history part of the Kuala Sepetang. So this is we can also check uh, about the Kuala Sepetang history, their legacy, and this is all the images. You can click. Yes. So and this is the YouTube. You can play it. Kuala Sepetang Eco Tourism. Okay, and this is the key timeline. And yes, this is all about it for the historic part of the Kuala Sepetang. Thank you. Next, we will go to the culture. After this, we will go to the culture. And now, we move to the culture part. This is all the culture and the legacy that passed down to the Kuala Sepetang. So here we insert the paragraph, detail, images, and all the content out here. So you can also add the column. You can add media and text, detail, YouTube, and many more. So this is all the content. So here also the background, change the color, and this is the front end of the culture. Okay, so Kuala Sepetang is a tradition in a fishing village. So it more to the Hokkien, which is Chinese tradition. So the legacy passed down for the fishing and cuisine. They also celebrate many festivals like Tuak Pek Kong Festival and Religious Harmony. They also has morning coffee ritual, net mending circle, and traditional architecture. So in Kuala Sepetang, they're using many language and communication such as Teochew and Hokkien, Bahasa Melayu, and English languages. So I think this is all the end, and this is the heritage part. So here we do the same. We can input all the blog, all the detail here, all the content, blog inserter. So you can choose many more. You can add pattern. Okay. So right here I choose text. So there's many variant, many variety of content that we can input. So that all the template we can also make it from scratch. So this is all the content. Okay, I think this is all the text, content, paragraph, and now we move to the front end of the heritage. So for the Sepetang heritage, there is many deep and meaningful heritage of Kuala Sepetang. So Kuala Sepetang rich past as a port well, hold many story to preserving the past for the future generation. So you can here look at the port well and traditional charcoal kilns. So you can look at this historic place like Saint and Chapel, traditional architecture, Kampung Seberang, the Matang Historical Museum, and many more. Okay, like the Matang Historical.
Well, now let's start the next page, which is called nature and adventure. So basically, this page shows like basically to discover the Kuala Sepetang's natural wonders. We have a supporting background behind it, as you can see. This basically the one of the Kuala Sepetang's picture that we took online, and some description here as well to give an easy explanation to the users. Then if you go down here, basically you will notice a few like featured locations here, each with like detailed description and something images here that we took off online, like from Instagram or even in Google Images. And also down here there is also a drop down button. Basically it's called the adventures activities, basically to show what boat tours there is and the packages that exist. You can see there's two types here, there's durations, highlights, and price range. So basically it's basically to help users like choose like the best experience based on their interest and budget. And down here you can see some local wildlife here, like that exists within the area. And then there's also hiking and walking trails as well, basically. And also some fish farm experiences, something images also like the golf part. So, and down here we got the best time to visit as well, another drop down button as well, basically to show like what is like the best seasonal tips, basically to show like the travelers like when they have to visit, like what's the like this like the best weather, like the best sighting for the wildlife, and any special event that could exist in this like time frame. Basically it would be the most best time to go through, basically the best also and the funniest place to go through. So basically this overall the whole backend of this place, I mean this page. And if you go to the actual front end, basically the the page that the user will have to access, basically first they have to click the nature and the adventure button here. You can click it, then it will comes through here like we just explained earlier. Basically it's the same thing. You can see all the title, the headers, and the featured places, and the drop down button which works here, and also the wildlife watching opportunity, second walking trials. They all can see everything here, and also the another another drop down button which works for the users as well. And if they have any question, they can click this button and they will head to contact. So I think that's it for this page. So let's go next to the next page. So now we go to the things to do page. But let's start first with the back end, first which is the edit page. So now, so this page basically tells the user what that you can do in these places, like what activities that they can find within these places that is actually considered fun. So first we can see that in the headers here it shows the title and it shows some detail here, and we also made a collage of pictures here as well about the activities that they can go to. Basically it's a groups of pictures here, and now we go to the actual one by one activities explaining the what the each activities are for. So you can see that there's activities across here horizontally with some supporting images and some descriptions. There's so more activities here actually. There's more here that shows the activities that you can do here. Basically, it goes down vertically, and basically these are the activities that the users can actually use if they wanted to go to the Kuala Sepetang. Actually, it shows like different subscriptions, basically maybe about like how much it costs. Some actually are free to go, such as this one. You can just visit places here. It's a place where you can also go for free actually, but obviously you have to pay if you want to go to this specific location. But if you once you're there, some places here actually free to go. So basically this is the whole backend of this page. Now we can go to actual front end by clicking the things to do button here at the top in the menu section. You can click it, and we are here. Basically this is where users will see once they are in this particular page. So I think that's it for this page. Now let's go to the next one. And now let's go to the food section or the food page of this website. Basically, let's go to the back end first, like always. So first we can see the title here, which is called food. And basically this website is basically to discover foods in Kuala Sepetang. Basically it discovers like many rich flavors. Basically there's more than a meal in this journey where every dish tells a story and every bite awakens your curiosity, courage, and craving for something truly extraordinary. So down here we can go to this collage of images as well that we embedded here. All the delicious foods that are popular in the area. You can see the signature seafood dishes. We provided some pictures here. Basically, it shows what each food are, how it tastes, and who made or where it was made actually. And you can actually click learn more here to basically go to like the link basically to the which I will show you in the front end later. Basically to show like the location where you can like actually find this in real life. And down here basically it shows like where to eat, like also like in Tepisungai restaurant. It shows like basically where it located, like specifically like is it right by the river. And also they also recommend we also recommend like dishes as well here that we find actually tasty, like the best there. You can also see some local snacks and products in that place as well. Provide some pictures, some details, some explanations. So basically, that was it, and this is basically the list view, the outline, the heading that we put here. Yeah, that's it for the backend. So now let's go to the actual where users have to access. You can click the food button in the menu section. We click this one and we'll go to right to the food section here. Once they're in, they will be introduced by the pictures. They will like, oh, this is basically what we will be expecting, like the food. And here they can see what the dishes, like the seafood dishes that are considered the best there. And if they want to know more, they can click this button here, and they will go to the actual like they will go to the Google, and Google will show them where it is located. Same for everything here. This one, let's make sure all the links are working, and as you can see all of them are working for now. You can try this. Yeah, it is working. I think we have to put like I think we have to setting this to like open link to the next like in the blank like section here actually, because it could be a little annoying actually. So they can see the local snacks, and basically that's it for this page. So now let's go next to the next page.
Okay, now we go to the event pages. So this is the front end. So we're gonna go to the back end first. So for this, we added headers for the event in Kuala Sepetang, and then text box. We added pictures for the Hungry Ghost Festival, pictures for the other services, and then normal header, and also text box. This also text box. Yeah, it's a separate. It's like a connecting pictures with the little text at the bottom. At the bottom. Okay, now let's go to the front end. So this is the result. As you can see, there's a Hungry Ghost Festival. The Hungry Ghost Festival is a significant cultural event in Malaysia, including areas like Kuala Sepetang. So during this festival, offerings are made to appease wandering spirits, and also various rituals are performed. While specific dates for 2025 are not available, the festival typically occurs in the 7th lunar month, which corresponds to August. And so the next, our services, there's like 3 services here. The seasonal fishing. Kuala Sepetang, a prominent fishing town on the west coast of Malaysia, thrives on seasonal fishing patterns governed by monsoon winds, tides, and migration cycles of marine life. The community art project, the Look Port World Kuala Sepetang Art Carnival, was a timely festival to mobilize the local community to raise the awareness of protecting ecological and cultural heritage, and to activate the younger generation in cultivating deeper understanding towards their hometown. The Monkey Festival. The Monkey Festival, known as Kongzi in Hokkien, is a unique celebration held in the coastal town of Kuala Sepetang in Perak. It honors the monkeys that inhabit the nearby mangrove forests. During the festival, locals dress up as monkeys, paint their faces, and parade through the town. The event is to bring good luck and prosperity to the community. Okay, now we shall go to the next page of FAQ. Okay, now we are at the FAQ section. So this is the back end. So as usual, we put in a header, text box, and also the corresponding pictures. The texts here, and then with this is I would say a little header. I would say like the second or the third one, because it is not really this big, right? And then text box about the explanation, and then you can meet our team here. This is, you see, this is a text box with a header connecting to the text box, and then the pictures of each of our team members. This is me, this is the project leader, researcher and support, and developer and designer. So the FAQs, this is how we designed it. So it's in like, this is a title, I would say, and then we separated with using the line. We added the line in, and then there's also another line, so that it does not look too messy. So it looks neatly done, and very tidy, not messy. Okay, so these are the questions and the answers. Okay, so now let's go to the front end, which is welcome to our FAQ section. Here you'll find quick answers to the most common question about visiting Kuala Sepetang. Kuala Sepetang growing ecotourism and heritage efforts are redefining the town's cultural landscape. This is like a comment, the comments from people, from us. And then yeah, this is what I said just now. Meet our team. This is me again, my fellow team members. And then this is the FAQs. See, look at how neatly it is. This is how neatly it is. Okay, now we'll go to the next page. Okay, now this is the contact section. This is the back end of the contact pages, of the contact page. We put in this is the title. No, actually it's a header. We didn't use a title for this. Oh, we didn't use a title for this. And so yeah, this is where you can contact us. So we made sure to make it work. When I show you the front end, we'll see if it works or not. I will show you how it works. My bad. So this is the location. See, Kuala Sepetang, Perak, Malaysia. The maps, Apple Maps. Yeah. And this is the contact information, general inquiries, email, the details, WhatsApp, and the website. See booking inside, and then social media. Okay, so now, so we use a button here, right, to submit, and it will actually submit it. I have tried it before. Okay, I have tried before. I showed before we have tried before we present. So yes, it did work. So this is like, you know, first name, last name, email, and then message, whatever comments you want to say. For example, what a great website, thank you for giving me ideas, thank you for showing me stuff, like, you know, give me answers to the questions that I had. Yeah, so it's for users. Okay, so now let's go to the front end. So this is the front end. As you can see, I have already input my name. Okay, let's try again, shall we? Let's put HAFEEZ KINTA, and this is my email. This is generally my email. Let's put what a great website. Thank you for the answers and thank you for the answers and the ideas to look forward to. Okay, now you just submit, and then as you can see, it is here. Your message has been sent. My name is HAFEEZ, last name is KINTA. Okay. My email is KHAIRUL@92@gmail.com, and the message is here. What a great website, thank you for the answers and ideas to look forward to. See, it does work. And I can also just look up the map. Like, yeah, see, if I press the map, what happened? This happened. So like, I know that, oh, okay, it's in Perak, it's not in like Penang, Terengganu, whatever, you know. Okay, that's it for our presentation of the website. Thank you very much for your time, and we appreciate your we appreciate your time and your evaluation. Thank you very much.